So now I will check out a plugin, but before doing that I will show you this beat. Yeah, I'm not the best psytrance artist of all time, but I needed a psytrance context for this, you know, so I just slapped Psylab with a preset on this for the entire psytrance thing. And then I made this schwobbelig arpeggiator thingy, a Hihat. A snare. Yeah, I think that's pretty much a psytrance beat. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to check out Synthroad. Test, test. Okay. I need to turn off the vocals of the recording in OBS so that you can only hear my Quilcom Synthroad vocals. But first of all, let me turn off the reverb. Alright.
Okay. Now that is muting my vocal input, I guess. So now you only hear what the plugin is doing with my voice, which I hope is like intelligible. So the reason why I want to test this in the context of a psytrance beat is because this is about a throat singing plugin. It's supposed to make you sound like a throat singer, like a Tibetan throat singer. And yeah, I know it's not going to be very realistic, but if it gets somehow close, then I think it might make sense in the context of a trippy psytrance beat. Yeah, rattle. I want a lot of rattle, yeah. Oh, that sounds very breathy. Breath. Okay. I don't know what this knob's about. Let's go. Okay. This is the extra overtone. I want a deep overtone to accompany me, and bass should be heavy as fuck. Yeah. Formant. Oh, nice. We can make this the formant knob as well. Like overtone knob. Okay, I might need to actually tune that before going into Quilcom. Now I can turn this off again
and turn my own voice on again. And now I think I will throw away the start and just use this stuff. Okay, I definitely know that I want this at the start of a bar. Maybe like that. Okay, so now at this point I do feel inspired, even though it was kind of silly to sing like that. Now I just need to make sure that these transitions are quite nice, and then I can get started. Ooh, why? Ah, it is this again. I really like what the S ducking knob's doing. I don't know what its purpose is, but it, instead of ducking the S sounds, it really brings them to the foreground, which is kind of interesting. So I'm bouncing that in the effect, and I want to do something with that later, I think. Now turning S ducking off again. This one is quite nice. another one. Okay, this one is spooky. And then I also want the one with... Hello? The one with none of these two that seem to detune it really hard. Now I made a bunch of tracks and I can remove the vocals again. And now I can think how I want to lay them out. So here's the track with the syllables, with the S ducking knob. What I want to do with this is quite clear. I just want to use the syllables, so I low cutted all the rest. Let's just try 8-1 trigger gate. Now these breathy vocals can accompany the hi-hats. I once made a plugin which is called Absorb, and it can be used to sidechain one sound into another, and I just felt like trying that with this hi-hat. Putting the hi-hat into Absorb as the sidechain trigger and then dialing in these two. You know, get something that is between the hi-hat and the breathiness. Now the cool thing about using Absorb for something like that is that you don't even have to use a trigger gate on the sound itself, because it will sort of get more of the dynamics of the sound that you sidechain into anyway. So I was able to dial back this a lot and have a more centered signal, but still with a bit of the flavor of this effect. And then I was able to, yeah, you know, make all the stuff with this, the textures and the dynamics, they just came automatically. So that's how you can use Absorb in situations like this. Now let's go on. Yeah, so that was a phase flip, but only on one side. And since this sound is currently mono, that results in a sound that completely cancels out when being played back in mono. But therefore it creates the maximum width in stereo. Oh, I like the direction in which this goes. Maybe I could make it even better. Flower child filter is exactly what I'm searching for here. Envelope follower. Okay, so now I made a sound that sort of feels a bit more filtered, has a bit less fuzz, so when I'm adding fuzz to it, it's a bit of a cleaner fuzz, hopefully. Yeah, I think it sounds like it worked. Now just getting back with the volume. Nice, now it sounds like my vocals sort of transform into the mud that you are dancing in when you are on a Goa party that is outdoor in a forest or something like that, which is totally the sort of Goa party where I want to be. Okay, so the stuff got a little bit off topic at the end. What can I say about Quilcom synth road? It's a very crunchy sound. It's really hard to make something with it that sounds remotely clean. It's just not natural. But is it still good? I would say yes. It's a great plugin. It's fun to use and you can explore a lot of different sound characters in it. And that's why I will definitely keep on using it for things like this.